Service of process used to give us headaches from hard to serve parties and overpaying for services that we didn't need. Luckily for us, Rapid Legal was founded by a process server, so they really understand what the job is. Rapid Legal's process servers know how to serve parties correctly and quickly and get proofs of service back into your hands so you're not sitting in limbo for days. Rapid Legal has helped Saleh Law Group's operations become more cost efficient by helping us leverage data, integrate systems, and further automate the firm's own legal process. And when it comes to cost efficiency, legal professionals know the value of time better than almost anyone. The efficiency built into Rapid Legal's online platform is heads and shoulders above anything we've used before. It's unbelievably user-friendly and can scale up and down instantly according to volume at no cost. Rapid Legal's automated alerts are worth their weight in gold because they help us keep our work error-free and running smoothly. In the real world, that's helped Saleh Law Group achieve an e-filing success rate that is the envy of other firms. And billing errors? Thing of the past. They've become virtually non-existent because payment and invoicing are done electronically. At the end of the month, or the end of the matter, it's all right there in front of you, organized and instantaneous.